Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to review the dividends I received last year in 2018. Dividends are a great source of passive income just for being a shareholder of the dividend paying stocks and ETFs. Let's go to my history and filter by dividends. So history, I'm going to filter this by dividends and go over all the dividend payouts for the year of 2018. All right, so I'm going to work backwards, starting in December 2018 all the way to January 2018. So first one is Mega Cap Value Vanguard ETF, $11.30. iShares, $12.98. NVIDIA, $5.28. Vanguard S&P 500, $79.92. Vanguard Healthcare, $5.63. Vanguard Information Technology, $42.92. Consumer Discretionary, $6.16. Vanguard Industrials, $5.83. McDonald's, $29. Schwab ETF, $54.15. NextEra Energy, $8.88. United Health, $16.20. Microsoft, $33.12. Home Depot, $18.54. 3M, $23.12. Johnson & Johnson, $33.30. Boeing, $29.07. NetEase, 89 cents. Visa, $14.25. Costco, $1.71. Constellation Brands, $2.22. Apple, $32.12. AT&T, $28. Spider S&P 500, $10.58. Mega Cap Vanguard ETF, $13.47. Mega Cap Growth, $5.60. Mega Cap Value, $11.04. iShares S&P 500, $11.50. Vanguard S&P 500, $72.40. Schwab ETF, $50.82. Vanguard Industrials, $5.34. Vanguard Consumer Discretionary, $6.08. Vanguard Healthcare ETF, $5.20. Vanguard Info Technology, $43.47. NVIDIA, $3.30. McDonald's, $20.20. United Health, $15.30. Microsoft, $28.14. Home Depot, $16.48. 3M, $19.04. Johnson & Johnson, $26.10. Boeing, $23.94. Visa, $10.71. NetEase, $1.22. Constellation Brands, 74 cents. Apple, $29.20. Procter & Gamble, $7.17. AT&T, $23. Spider S&P 500, $9.96. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, $14.42. Mega Value, $10.13. Vanguard ETF, $69.44. Mega Cap Growth, $6. Vanguard Healthcare, $5.67. So we're already halfway through the year 2018. So the remaining 6 months. Vanguard Healthcare, $5.67. Vanguard, $7.35. Vanguard Information Technology, $32.68. Vanguard Consumer Staples, $16.22. Vanguard Industrials, $5.02. Vanguard Mega Cap, $12.81. Consumer Discretionary, $6.07. iShares ETF, $11.53. Schwab Dividends, $7.71. Schwab ETF, $49.09. Schwab, $3.45. Vanguard ETF, $3.96. Another Vanguard ETF, $11.34. Vanguard ETF, $5.65. $5.43. United Health, $15.30. McDonald's, $14.14. NVIDIA, $3.15. Microsoft, $20.16. Home Depot, $16.48. Johnson & Johnson, $16.20. 3M, $14.96. Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF, 70 cents. NetEase, 46 cents. Visa, $9.45. Boeing, $23.94. Ford, $2.10. Constellation Brands, 74 cents. Apple, $21.17. Procter & Gamble, $4.30. Dow ETF, 13 cents. Activision Blizzard, $6.12. AT&T, $15.50. Spider ETF, $8.77. Dow ETF, 45 cents. Vanguard ETF, $10.95. Vanguard, $5.16. $65.02. $11.06. Medcap Value, $9.14. Medcap Growth, $3.61. Vanguard ETF, $3.63. Medcap ETF, $10.42. Another Vanguard ETF, $5.09. $5.43. Schwab, $43.87. Schwab Dividends, $4.97. Schwab ETF, $3.20. Home Depot, $16.48. Vanguard Consumer Discretionary, $4.34. Consumer Staples, $6.96. Vanguard Information Technology, $25.30. Vanguard Industrials, $4.46. Vanguard Healthcare, $3.49. United Health, $12.75. Nvidia, $3.15. McDonald's, $14.14. Johnson & Johnson, $15.12. 3M, $14.96. Dow Industrial Average ETF, 64 cents. Microsoft, $13.86. Visa, $7.56. NetEase, 76 cents. Boeing, $17.10. Ford, $3.92. Constellation Brands, 52 cents. Apple, $17.64. Procter & Gamble, $4.14. Dow Industrial Average, 14 cents. AT&T, $14.50. Spider ETF, $10.81. Dow Industrial Average, 56 cents. BOTS ETF, 3 cents. So that's all for the year of 2018. As you can see, from the beginning to the end of the 2018, the dividends were increasing as I continue to reinvest in my portfolio, and of course, capital appreciation, dividend appreciation. That's a total of $1,837.66, which is a yield of 1.1% based on my current portfolio size. I plan to continue holding these stocks and ETFs and reinvesting my dividends into more stocks, preferably a good balance between dividend paying stocks and high growth stocks, so I can increase my dividend yield as I reinvest and as the companies increase their dividend payouts. So that's all for this video. What are your favorite dividend paying stocks? Comment down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.